Well, hi folks, Stratman here from pitware.com. The last video for the Linux installation was to install Wine 1.3 from Wine headquarters. Then we installed the Visual C Runtime 6 library from Microsoft using Wine tricks. And then we copied the font files off an existing PC. In my case it was a Windows 2000 machine. It could have been an XP machine, anything like that. So once all that's done, it's just a simple case of going to your Mozilla Firefox, hitting download for a MT4 demo exe file. You may already have one on your system on a memory stick. You could plug that into the system and get it off there, just like you could transfer your fonts from a Windows machine to this machine via a memory stick. So anyway, if you click on Places and go to Downloads, that's where your MT4 would be downloaded if you downloaded it off the internet. So let's just see that. I've got a small bug with my virtual machine here, nothing to do with Ubuntu itself. Just freezes my screen just occasionally, so some things look a little bit slower. Basically, it's determining that this is a Windows application, but typically what you would do is you'd right-click and go Open with Wine Windows Program Loader. Sometimes when Wine's installed, it can actually get it straight away without having to do that. So if you double-click on it, it doesn't need to. It already knows that it's a Windows program, so we'll just install. So there we go. There's the install file. We just go through the normal MT4 installation, which I'm going to do now as my screen kind of hopefully unfreezes for me occasionally. Okay, and we just accept all the defaults. Well, that's what I do anyway, and there we go. We've got our MetaTrader installing. Creating a shortcut. I'm not going to choose the launch at the moment because I want to show you on the desktop what's happening. So if we close all this, what you should end up with is that on your desktop you'll have a MetaTrader shortcut. Just double click on it to run it. There's nothing special about trying to run it up. And if everything has gone to plan, within a short time the Wine emulation or Wine system will kick into life and start up your MetaTrader. I do notice the very first time you try to run it, it's a bit slow, but then subsequent times it's relatively quick. So we've got the screen come up to enter in all your details. I'm going to do that very quickly, and I've entered in my details, just clicking there. The sound actually works on my system but not on this virtual image, and away we go. And the very first thing that will probably pop up is that I need to run my update, which we'll do, and MetaTrader will just update itself, and at the end we'll do a restart and everything should be pretty fine. For most of the main functions I use MetaTrader for, which is typically just for analysing the market, this is working quite adequately. I haven't tested everything in MT4, so I have heard that some people have had trouble with Backtester in Linux. I haven't tested it yet, so if anyone does this installation that I'm doing here, if they want to try it out and comment back on the thread here, that'd be great. And after the update here is finished, we'll see the box come up to say restart our MetaTrader, and we'll be into doing our normal trading work. So there we go, update and restart, and it's all back again. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that video, and in subsequent videos I'll show you some more things like installing indicators and experts and so on, and how you actually get them all in there, where you go, how you hook up a Windows machine. So if you've got a laptop that's got Windows on and you've got this as a desktop that's got Linux on, how do you get files off your laptop onto here if you're connected to the same network, etc, etc. And we'll install Office 2003 as well. Okay, hope you enjoyed that. This is Stratman out.